So how do we create value for the future? It's not by coincidence. Investment. That's the name of the game. Leading Indonesia's asset management industry, Mandiri Investasi is designed for long-term investment prospects. Mandiri Investasi capitalizes on opportunities with a disciplined investment process in managing its mutual fund. Breaking barriers into overseas investment market. Mandiri Investasi is the largest national asset management with incremental innovation through its alternative investment solution and creating value to optimize investment goals. By building new toll roads, connecting cities, putting more planes in the sky, or lighting up homes with renewable energy, to finally build a better Indonesia and a better future for us all. So when you put your trust in Mandiri Investasi, that's how you know you will get there.